You can only achieve those targets if everybody's working together to get to them. And you're not having like the contractor saying, I found this brilliant, cheaper system from China. And it's like, well, that's just knocked all our performance targets out the water, right? So I do think that having those targets for projects that everybody can get behind, everybody is bought into, and ideally is linked to the contracts of the projects, because that's how it gets done, is a really powerful way of achieving some of these targets we're calling for. The problem is that doesn't exist still in most regulations. And it's the frustration around how slow the regulatory frameworks are to bring in regulations along those lines, and continuing to enable, frankly, bad buildings to be built that we know are going to have to be renovated in the future. And we know how hard renovation is. Governments are enabling that, right? They're seeing fuel energy poverty. They're seeing people suffer in the extreme heat in the summer and extreme cold in the winter. They're seeing these massive climate events happening, and yet we're still allowing that to happen.